What's up everybody, if you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Grow It, and today I've got an unboxing video for you. Look what we have here. Brand new, not even released yet, AC Infinity Cloudray S6 clip-on fan, Developer Edition. I'm so excited for this one. I actually had the idea for a clip-on fan that connects to the Grow Tent, clips onto the Grow Tent, back in 2016. A few years later, there was a company that released one. However, the quality wasn't really that great. A lot of people reported problems, and of the few I had, one of them died out, which the company replaced. And then another one that became extremely noisy over time, so not really the best quality. But this one right here, AC Infinity is known for their quality. They're certainly changing the game with this one. AC Infinity actually sent me over this one, and they hooked up my viewers with a discount code. You can use code MrGrowIt for 15% off on their website, and if you're on Amazon, you can use code MrGrowIt15 to get you 15% off. Okay, now let's unbox this thing. Alright, so nice looking box I have here. You can see on the side, adjustable tilt, digital 10-speed IP44 temperature and humidity proof. On the side here it says EC motor, runs quieter, more energy efficient, and has a longer lifespan than AC motors. It's IP44 rated. Components are sealed to be highly resistant to heat, liquids, and dust. Digital control. PWM technology enables a wider range of 10 fan speeds, and UIS compatible. Connects to UIS controllers for temperature, humidity, cycle, and schedule programs. First thing out the box is the user manual. In the user manual you'll find some key features, installation instructions, programming instructions, and warranty information. Here is the circulation fan. Color is black. Pretty sleek, very lightweight. You can see the buttons on the back. One is for the different fan speeds and the other one is for the oscillation feature. There's a power cord. It's pretty long. I believe it's 9 feet long. Here is the grip clip. So you'll attach the circulation fan to the grip clip and then you'll be able to clip this onto the pole of your grow tent. In this bag right here, there's a few different things. An extension cord. There's an adapter dongle, a cable tie, and a cable mount. It's actually pretty easy to put together. All you have to do is unscrew this piece that's on the grip clip. You'll slide in the circulating fan, slide that piece back through and screw it together, and then it's good to go. Okay, so in my 2-foot by 4-foot grow tent, this one's actually by AC Infinity as well. Clipped it onto the side of the tent and I'm pressing the button to turn it on. You can see there lights up on the different speeds. So I pressed it 6 times, it's on speed 6 out of 10. If I pressed it an 11th time, it would turn the fan off. There's a spot there for the UIS and then the button there for oscillation feature. Super quiet fan. I was really shocked by how quiet this fan actually is. Stays close to the grow tent, doesn't take up much space, and yeah, I can't say enough about this. This is very high quality. I will leave a link to AC Infinity's website down in the description section below. This fan isn't released yet, but once it is, I'll put a link down there as well. And one thing to mention is my discount code works for all AC Infinity items, not just this fan, so check out their other products while you're there. That's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please click that thumbs up, and I will leave it at that. Until next time, peace.